My name is Walid and I am a construction safety officer. The thing motivates me if I look into this financial journey, only looking into the job is not sufficient. What I know is investing is the way to reach to the financial freedom. That motivates me actually to come to this investing path. This 4 days I find out is so effective, especially the way Cayden presents the things. It's automatically can see that the Cayden presenting from his heart. He's not really doing things just for the course fees, and he's interactive and he ensured that we understand the value of all these basics of all these investing fundamentals. Particularly if I say this is the funnel, teach us step by step how we screen through the companies and understand better, go in depth and finalize, shortlist some of the companies for further evaluation. So these parts really excite me from this program. Of course I am. It's highly recommended, and maybe I will share in my personal Facebook page about this program, and my all friends, I will recommend them to come here and take this course, and it's really worthwhile.